James Garcia. Morning. All I see is circling the wagons. All right, let me see. All right, so where are we on discovery? This is, I think, the first setting for this case.
Yes, Judge, it recently got indicted. I'm filing a motion for a sanity evaluation and also for competency.
Okay,
The state and I've had discussions about the discovery. I think it's in there, but apparently there was a bunch of stuff from other cases
okay.
downloaded there. But I think the big issue is going to be the sanity evaluation.
All right, Ms. Ferguson. All right, this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna recall this. And counsel, you'll need to file that motion.
Their fault today.
All right. All right, thank you. What I'll do is we're gonna recall this for December 8th and we'll see where we are.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, so we're gonna bring you back on December 8th.
Okay.
And then are you on the robbery case as well?
I don't know.
In the PF case? Norma, if you can make sure he's placed on the robbery case as well. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm looking at a different case. That's Israel Gonzalez. I think he just has.
He
the
just
same
has,
case.
yeah.
All right. So December 8th. All right, thank you.
Okay.
Judge.
All right, just waiting for Odyssey.
Come back tomorrow for wait.
I don't know why it's taking, oh, here we go. All right, today is jury trial date.
So the last couple of settings, we've been waiting for some at-large cases that were
Mhm.
filed. The reason he's in custody is because he got indicted yesterday.
Mhm.
I know at least on sexual assault, but I can't tell from looking at the printout I got whether or not it's also an ag kidnapping charge. Those are with the PIC unit. I haven't seen any discovery on the case, but I'd like to see if we can, I guess if we're going to try any case, the big case is the one I'd rather try so we don't have redundancy of ever.
All right, have PICU come down, please. All right, and then we'll come back on here.
Thank you.
And you're ready on Keonis?
Yes, ma'am, I am.
Robert Keonis. Right, thank you. All right, so we were here, this case had recently been indicted. Where are we under the discovery?
I conferred with the state. My client would like a jury trial.
All right. State, how long is this trial going to last? All right, Norma, can you set this before the new year for a jury trial? And I'll need an acknowledgement of discovery. All right, your jury trial is going to be December 9th. You're going to be barred over dressed in whatever civilian clothing you have at the jail. If you wish to be attired in something different, you need to do a clothing exchange. If counsel, if there's an issue with the clothing exchange, let the court know.
I will, Judge.
All right. Your plea deadline date has expired. The court will not accept any plea bargain agreements in this case without good cause. Otherwise, you have to plead open to the court. Do you understand? All right, thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
All right, where are we on discovery?
Judge, so this is the first setting. I will apologize. I haven't had a chance to really look at the discovery. I know some things have been available, but I haven't downloaded. It's the first setting. So right now I'm just asking for a reset. They have made an offer. I have conferred with the state. They have made an offer, but I would just like a reset to review the discovery with Mr. Simmons. Come back to court.
All right, Ms. Ferguson, I need a 30-day reset. All right. So we're going to come back on November 20th. That's going to be your plea deadline date.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Once you sign the reset form, you're excused. Thank you for dressing appropriately for court.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Very good.
So where are we on discovery?
Judge, I was disappointed, I think 2 weeks ago. I have not, I don't have all the discovery in my file. I'm not sure if it's been uploaded or not. I was gonna ask for at least a little bit of time to review things.
Okay, was the state able to tender an offer or no?
They were, but I can't really credibly give him
Oh, no,
my
no.
advice at this.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, Ms. Ferguson, I need a 30-day reset. All right, November 20th will be your plea deadline date.
Okay.
Once you sign the reset form, you're excused.
Thank you.
All right, thank you. Thank you for dressing appropriately for court.
My mom watches you on YouTube. She loves you.
Yeah, okay, I don't know.
You're right there.
All righty, so what is the update on the evaluation?
On October 14th, Judge Rodriguez found the defendant incompetent. And the jail is going to, the people that do those things at the jail is going to try to determine whether or not he should go to the state hospital
Mhm,
or whether or not he will have some other form of restoration.
mhm.
But the judge said she was leaning towards sending him to the state hospital. But that ultimate decision as to how he's and where he's going to be restored hasn't been definitively decided.
All right, well, the law has changed. I'm gonna have to review that because usually depending if it's a violent offense, you're supposed to go to the state hospital, but I'm just following this. So what we're gonna do, Norma, recall this for December. Yep, she stepped out again. We're recalling you for December, and counsel, it's just to see if he's been sent to the state hospital. Just let the court know before this date, and we're gonna call you back on
She's back to
December 9th.
December 9th. I think he is going to go to the state hospital, but the judge kind of left it open.
Okay.
So I didn't want to not tell you about leaving it
No, no,
open
no,
or
no.
how long it was going to take.
No, that's not a problem. And I will tell you, Mr. Coleman, the reason why I set these, even though I know that you've been found to be incompetent, I set these so that you don't get lost in the system. Because it's easy to get lost in the system when you're waiting for someone to come back with evaluation, especially before you're sent to the state hospital. So we'll be back on December 9th. And if they've sent you to the state hospital, what will end up happening is your attorney will let me know, and this date will be moved. Because once you go to the state hospital, there are evaluations that they have to do to determine if you've regained competency, and they'll usually set that up in 120 days. All right. All right, so we'll have you back on December 9th unless you've been sent to the state hospital. If they still have you at the jail, we'll have you brought back to, so we won't lose where you are in the system, okay?
Thank you so much.
All right, you're welcome. Thank you. All right, who's next? Oh, you think you're good?
But I'm gonna stay.
Okay, thank you. I appreciate that. All right, who's here on Timothy Ray Ibarra? Okay. Hello. So what is the update on his evaluation?
We have an agreed incompetency set for Monday,
Set for Monday?
yes, the 27th.
All right, so then when he goes down there, money, he needs to come up here. Otherwise, there's gonna end up being a warrant issue.
Okay, because he's here today.
Oh, where is he?
Timothy, stand up.
Okay. Well, he needs to come forward. Why was he late for court?
His mother had a black,
All right, come
she
forward.
called me and said that AAA was there fixing it, but I was in the middle of a plea in the 144th and I couldn't lift it up here to tell the court.
All right. Hello.
Hi.
Hi. All right, Ms. Ferguson. Reset this case, December.
I will not be in Texas in December,
When is your last day here?
November 7th.
All right. Let me see something here. And so you're gone the entire month of December?
I will be house sitting up in Maine.
Okay, for the entire month of December?
I'll be leaving shortly after Veterans Day and I'll be gone the entire year, rest of the year.
Okay. Norma, recall this for January 5th.
I come back on that.
That's why I'm asking. You're
Oh.
being very coy.
Oh, I'm
Because
sorry.
I'm trying to set a date. All right, when are you back?
The 9th.
All right, Norma, recall this for the 26th. Yes. All right, we'll bring you back on January 26th. Once you sign the reset form, you're excused. Okay?
Okay.
All right, thank you.
And if he's ordered to be incompetent, you still want him to be here?
Well, it depends on what the update is there. I don't know that he may have regained competency by then. I have no idea. All right, thank you.
Thank
Just
you.
have a seat.